Today I'm doing an unboxing of this box. Hi everyone, it's Noblesse and thank you for joining me on this channel again. Today I'm opening this box from Noblesse, a Russian clothing brand, and I just love all of their stuff. It's princessy, it's chiffon, it's a lot of romantic, it's so nice. I really love it. And yeah, let's open it. It has an extra paper wrapping because the clothes are not packed in plastic, which is very good because I hate all the plastic. Ooh. Okay. Oh, that's the bag. Second. The book bag. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And I think that's another bag, or is this the stash? It's another bag. But this one's so pretty too. On one side there are crosses, and on the other side there's a sword. But the material is very see-through and not cotton, but I think polyester. It's made up. No, doesn't say. And we also have 2 letters with pictures. Oh, I hope it's pictures. It's postcards, yes! Oh, from all the prints. Oh, they're lovely. I'll just do a collage later on, or just blend it in because I don't think they're very visible. So pretty. Other pictures, no, they're not the same. Love it. Oh, that's the scarf for my mermaid dress. Not mermaid dress, I don't know. Sea goddess dress was the name. Of this one. Oh, so pretty. Oh. Look at this. So pretty. And the print is so fine too. I just love it when the chiffon print is so in detail and in depth. It's wonderful. So, then there's the code for my ISO. I will not unpack this. There is another dress of mine. It feels a bit different. It feels silky, so that's not chiffon, it's more of like a silk blend probably. And it's also not that see-through. I don't know if it's visible, but just shove the dress. Oh. And there's a shearing at the back. Look at all the beautiful portrait prints. Oh, I love portrait prints. I think I've had 3 dresses. No. Huh, I'll show you 3. So, no, I think I'll just show what she bought. So let's see. It's very heavy. Just trying to with the cloak or the coat, yeah, with the prints on it. So pretty. You can see that Leo is always standing behind the camera and is really happy about it.
Hi, it's my Lovelies. I'm wearing the Le Boudoir de Madame jumper skirt and it wrinkles a bit. Either the tied shoulder ribbons are still too long or my torso is not long enough. The front of the dress is a painting of a Greek mythology tale called Leda and the Swan, a story where Zeus once again can Cupid in his pants. The print is fashioned after the drawing by François Boucher between 1776 and 1802. It's currently in the Rijksmuseum in Amsterdam. Other prints in the dress include The Pleasures of Education, The Toilet of Venus, The Charms of the Morning, The Awakening of Venus, The Woman Taking Coffee, and Cupid begs Venus to give him back his arms. The next dress is called Sea Goddess Jumper Skirt and it's a bit longer but also creases here. The dress came with a scarf which can also be used as a stola, scarf, belt and anything else one can think of. It's fashioned after another portrait of François Boucher called The Triumph of Venus from 1740 and is now in the National Museum of Stockholm in Sweden. Venus is seated here, surrounded by a number of tritons, naiads, dolphins and cupids, all representations of love and all paying tribute to the goddess of love. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and leave a like. Also support me on Patreon starting from just €1 a month. See you soon. Bye!